Welcome to the world of natural remedies with the Homesteader Herbal Handbook. Let's delve into the 25 popular herbal plants and their medicinal uses. Aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, it's great for burns, skin irritations, and digestive health. Basil, a culinary herb that also aids digestion and can relieve headaches. Calendula, used for skin ailments and as an anti-inflammatory agent. Chamomile, renowned for its calming effects, it's used in teas for relaxation and sleep aid. Dandelion, a detoxifying herb that supports liver health. Echinacea, boosts the immune system and combats colds and flu. Fennel, aids digestion and relieves gas and bloating. Ginger, great for nausea, digestion, and as an anti-inflammatory. Hawthorn, supports heart health and regulates blood pressure. Lavender, calming and soothing, great for relaxation and skin health. Lemon balm, relieves anxiety, insomnia, and even speeds the healing of cold sores. Mint, aids digestion and can relieve headaches. Nettle, rich in nutrients, it's used for joint pain and as a diuretic. Oregano, powerful antimicrobial properties, great for respiratory health. Parsley, rich in vitamins, it supports kidney health and freshens breath. Rosemary, improves memory and circulation, and is great for hair health. Sage, helps with cognitive function and soothes sore throats. Thyme, antimicrobial and antiviral, it's great for respiratory health. Turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Valerian, used as a sleep aid and to reduce anxiety. Witch hazel, a natural astringent, great for skin health. Yarrow, stops bleeding and aids in wound healing. Burdock, detoxifies the blood and improves skin health. Cilantro, helps remove heavy metals from the body. Elderberry, boosts the immune system and combats colds and flu. Embrace the power of nature with the Homesteader Herbal Handbook and enhance your well-being with these backyard medicinal herbs.